At the Toledo Show RC Model Expo 2018, National Balsa took on a week-long challenge. But how did it go?
We're doing a project, Wendell Hostetler Tri-Pacer, 118-inch, and trying to get the plane framed up by the weekend.
All right.
And it's really to introduce people to what building is about. It's not as bad as it looks or sounds or is complicated. There's an awful lot of help from everybody out there.
So what progress have you made today?
Well, I'm on my second wing.
All right.
And that was my goal for today, is to get 2 wings complete. And then tomorrow I'll work on the fuselage, which is much more complicated. And then Sunday, final sanding and fitting.
All right.
So my goal Sunday, but if you take a poll from the average everybody walking around here, they tell me it's not going to happen.
Oh, yeah. So what is more of the response like?
No, there's a lot of people interested in, what I'm doing and how I'm doing it, and so they get to see it in progress, full build, and then but got a lot of naysayers. We'll get them straightened out.
Right. You're gonna show them every time they walk by. You're like, looky here, right?
That's it. Yeah. I'm going to try.
All right. Well, thank you so much for talking to us. We're going to let you get back to it.
All right. Thank you, and have a great day.
How's it going right now?
It's going excellent. I got the fuselage well underway here, and all the naysayers, again, think we can't do it, but we're on track.
You're on track? So
we're on track.
No concerns at all, right?
Well, a little.
A little concerned. It's just the normal amount, right, that keeps you going. I mean,
it's a lot of distraction.
Yeah.
A lot of
Like
time.
us, yeah.
It's just a lot of work and very tedious. So I'm starting to feel it a little bit. So we'll see. It's exciting to do this, to let modelers see what can be done in a day or 2 days, and it's not that bad. Well, we did not totally complete the aircraft. Still a little bit of work left, but we got the basic airframe complete, and kind of looks like the airplane we started out with, and it's not as much as I hoped for, but we did well.
So what's next for this?
Well, take it home, finish it all up, get it ready for covering, and then next year I'll have it on the table for display. Everybody will be able to see the finished product.